Hello students, today we will discuss our exercise, that is exercise 14.3 from chapter factorization of 8th class. Okay, in exercise 14.3 we are having the question, they are related to the division of monomial with monomial, polynomial with monomial or binomial. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed all the things, how we have to divide monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial. If you have not gone through those videos, just please see the video so that the things are clear to you all. Yes, now come to the first question. We have to carry out the division. The first question of our exercise is we have to carry out the division. So let us discuss first part. It is 28x to the power 4 and it needs to be divided by 56x. What I have told you, you can use the irreducible form also, or you can use the method of the exponent and power also. So I am finding the method exponent and power that is quite easier for solving the question. So I am using that method. You can also use the method that is the irreducible form. So just see, it will be cancelled out. So the result is half x to the power 3. Okay, simply you can solve it by any of the method which you are finding the easier one to do. So let us discuss one more part. All the parts are quite easier, but we are discussing only one more part from this question. It is 12 a to the power 8 b to the power 8 and it needs to divide by minus 6 a to the power 6 and b to the power 4. So just have a look. Directly also you can solve this question. Here it is the positive sign and here I am having the negative sign. So plus minus it will be minus. 12 it is divisible by 6. And when you divide 12 by 6 we are finding 2. Yes, now a to the power 8 and a to the power 6. So 8 minus 6 we are having a square. 8 b to the power 8 b to the power 4. So 8 minus 4 we are having b to the power 4. So directly also you can solve it. It is not compulsory that you have to split it up and show it. Directly also you can solve your question if you know what how you find your answers. Okay, so now discuss our second part. Second part is division of polynomial by given monomial. Okay, so let us see second part of question number second. It is 3y to the power 8 minus 4y to the power 6 plus 5y to the power 4 and it needs to divide by y to the power 4. Here I am finding that when I will take y to the power 4 as common, it is quite easier to solve the question. Just see what is the remainder here. And it needs to divide by y to the power 4. They both will be cancelled out and our result is 4y square plus 5. Okay, the same method we are utilizing as we have solved in our previous video. Okay, one more part we will discuss. Let us see the fifth part. In our fifth part, question is p to the power 3 q to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power 3 and it is divisible by p to the power 3 and q to the power 3. So the second method also you can utilize p to the power 3 q to the power 6 because by which we are dividing it is monomial. So I am writing the monomial with the numerator again minus p to the power 6 q to the power 3 upon p to the power 3 q to the power 6. So when we have a look here, p to the power 3 p to the power 3 will cancel out. You will not cancel these two because in these two powers are not same, powers are different. Yes, now in division power are subtracted. So directly you can write also, you can write 6 minus 3 also or directly you can do the solution that 6 minus 3 it is 6. Again, these both will be cancelled out but in these two power will be subtracted. You can write directly p to the power 3 because we know that the result is p to the power 3. Okay, so any method you can utilize whichever you are finding the easier one to do. So this is our question number second. Okay, now see question number third of this exercise. In question number third, we have to do the divisions. Okay, different type of divisions are there. Just see the first part. First part is we have to divide 10x minus 25 by 5. Okay, means by monomial we have to divide. So simply I am taking 5 as common. 2x minus 5 is remainder and upon 5. 5 will be cancelled out and the result is 2x minus 5. You can take 5 as denominator in both of the terms also. Okay, just see the third part of this question. It is 10y 6y plus 21 and it needs to divide by 5 2y plus 7. Yes, now I have to divide this type of question. Here also binomial, here also binomial, means more than one term, not monomial. So we can just not simply put this as a denominator for each and every term. Here I have to factorize, I have to try to factorize this numerator. Okay, this is 10y. Now I will check in these two, can I take something as common? When I am checking, I see yes, 3 is common. The remainder is 2y plus 7 and it will be divisible by 5 2y plus 7. Now see, 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 cancel out. 5 2s are 10. So answer will be 6y. All the question are easier, but you have to try to find it out that which method you will use for the solution of this given question. Okay, yes. Now question number 4. Question number 4, it is very simple question because in this question all the things are given to you. Simply you have to find it out which you need to cross it out. Okay, just have a look here. Yes, see question number 4. You have to divide as directed. Means you have to divide 5 2x plus 1 3x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. Just see, here also I am having 2x plus 1, here also I am having 2x plus 1. So the result is these two will be cancelled out and the result is 5 3x plus 5. Similarly in the next question also both the things are given to us, they will be cancelled out and the remaining is result. Here also just see q plus r plus p, they will cancel out, pq will cancel out. Okay, and we can easily get the result. Here also just see 5 4 the 20, y plus 4 will be cancelled out and remaining is the result. X will cancel out, x plus 1 cancel out, rest is the our result. So this question number 4, it is quite easier. Okay, quite easier than any of the question given in your book. Okay. In question number 3, one question you will find as a different question, that is question number 3 part 5th. Okay, just have a look to the question number 3, 5th part of this question number 3. Here what you have to do, you have to divide this. Here we are having a minus 4, but here we are having 3a minus 12. Here we are having b minus 6, here we are having 5b minus 30. So in this case, we will try to find it out common from each and every term. So just see question number 3, 5th part, how we are solving it. It is 96ABC. Just have a look here, from these two, we can take 3 as common. So the remainder is a minus 4. From these two, we can take 5 as common and the remainder is b minus 6. In denominator, I am having 144, a minus 4, b minus 6. Okay, now you have get now what needs to be cancelled out. A minus 4 will be cancelled out by a minus 4. B minus 6 will be cancelled out. Now I am having 96 ABC multiplied by 5 3 is 15 upon 144. Further on this you can solve easily. Okay, so this is all related to our exercise 14.3. Question number 5 we will discuss in our next video. Till then, just complete your work. For any query you can comment in the comment section. Thank you. Take care.